Welcome to Sites, a podcast that offers you access to thought leaders who can help you expand your entrepreneurial toolbox. Learn from seasoned entrepreneurs who have already walked in your shoes and can help you with your day-to-day business decisions. Join the founder and CEO of Multifunding, Ami Kassar, and his co-host, Lynn Ozer, the president of Multifunding, aka the SBA Queen, as they help you navigate, grow, and stay in control of your business.
And I went around and I interviewed all of our customers, our best customers. I got on a plane, I took a 2-week trip, and I went and I just spoke to all of our best customers. And I would just show up in their city and call them and say, I'm here. Can I come get coffee, or can I bring you a coffee? Can we chat for an hour? Everybody was gracious and said yes. Thank God, because I would have wasted a lot of money flying around if I had done that. But what I was able to do was interview our customers, understand why they decided to work with us. What I found pretty quickly was that they all confirmed, I don't care how well our site is coded. I just need it to work. And it could have been 2 tin cans with a string between it. As long as it could process an order, they would have been happy, right? So where I ended up was understanding pretty quickly that everybody hired us because of that optimization phase that we did. And they didn't hire us because we could build a site. They could find anyone to do that. But we were the only one who told them the truth, which was you need to optimize after you launch. You're never going to have a perfect site when you first launch it. And they all knew that, but everyone else was saying, hey, we'll launch a site for you. And I called it launch and leave. It was a launch and leave philosophy that every agency had, and most still do today. Well, really what we found the value was everybody wanted optimization. So that's what we focused on. We pivoted to exclusively focus on optimization.
Thanks for joining us today on Sites. Since 2010, Multifunding has helped businesses achieve their biggest growth goals through creative and personalized funding solutions, working with a network of the nation's top lenders. Visit us at multifunding.com, where you can meet our advisory team and learn more about how we help entrepreneurs fund their future.